In a potential overhaul that could reset the central identification point of the Indian Republic, top Bharatiya Janata Party leader and Assam Chief Minister Himant Biswa Sarma indicated that the official name of the Indian Republic is set to be changed. All the speculations come as the official invite to the G20 heads of state and ministers for a dinner being hosted by President Draupadi Murmu has gone with the heading President of Bharat. Earlier, invitations had the heading President of the Republic of India. The proposal to rename India as Bharat may be brought up by the Narendra Modi-led government during the special session of the Parliament scheduled from September 18 to 22. The demand to rename India as Bharat by amending the constitution has intensified, and sources said that the centre might bring a fresh resolution to rename India. Pointing out at the G20 invites, Congress leader Jairam Ramesh tweeted, "So the news is indeed true. Rashtrapati Bhavan sent out an invite for a G20 dinner on September 9th in the name of President of Bharat instead of the usual President of India. Now, Article 1 in the Constitution can read, Bharat, that was India, shall be a union of states. But now even this union of states is under assault." In another tweet, the Congress leader added, "Mr. Modi can continue to distort history and divide India. That is Bharat, that is a union of states. But we will not be deterred. After all, what is the objective of India parties? It is Bharat. Bring harmony, amity, reconciliation and trust. Judega Bharat, jeetega India." Meanwhile, defending the use of the name Bharat, top BJP leader JP Nadda asked, why does the Congress party have so much objection to every subject related to the honour and pride of the country? Why do political yatras in the name of Bharat Jodo hate the proclamation of Bharat Mata Ki Jai? It is clear that the Congress has neither respect for the country, nor for the constitution of the country, nor for the constitutional institutions. He just means to praise a particular family. The whole country knows very well the anti-national and anti-constitutional intentions of the Congress, Nadda added in a post on social media site X. Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh Chief Mohan Bhagwat, while discussing the use of the term Bharat instead of India, said that our nation's name has been Bharat for centuries, not India. He also appealed to use the old name Bharat for the country instead of India. So, where does the name India comes from? Article 1 of the Indian Constitution declares that India, that is Bharat, is a union of states. The inaugural article of India's constitution further defines India's territory as well as its nomenclature-related aspects. The word India comes from the word Indus, named after the Indus or Sindhu river that flows through Tibet, India's Jammu and Kashmir, and traverses most of Pakistan. The Greeks and Iranians called it Hindos or Indos, meaning the land to the east of the river called Indus. Following colonial conquests by the Dutch, French and British, it was used for the country India. In an ancient Indian text, Vishnu Puran, the name Bharat finds mention as the one that lies north of the ocean and south of snow mountains. Constitutionally, Bharat is the official Sanskrit name of the country, Bharat Ganarajya, Republic of India. So far, the names Bharat and India have often been used interchangeably, and Bharat is interpreted as an indigenous translation of the word India. The passports issued to Indian citizens too bore the official names Bharat Ganaraj in Hindi and Republic of India in English.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.